13th of this month, an incident that took place at Meghalaya, where during the police raid in the house of the Sheriff Rafiel, thank you, it has caused the life of this person. And I'm to express my sorrow to this loss. And today, when we have all met as the senior leaders of the party, along with the ministers who are in the government, and in the presence of Mr. Lakman Rumboy, who is our Home Minister, after we have had a conversation over the telephone, because I was out of station and he was also on the way to Nongstoin yesterday daytime to take the salute for the Independence Day today. For that we could not meet, and but I had called for the emergency meeting today in the afternoon, where he has expressed, and after a detailed and thorough discussion which we had, he had expressed his willingness to send a letter to the Chief Minister where he would like to be relieved from home portfolio which he is still holding till now, and that he has taken the decision to ensure that there will be a free and fair inquiry on the incident. We have suggested also from his advice that a judicial inquiry should be instituted immediately without any delay in order to clear the doubts which are there in the mind of the people. Why this incident has taken place, which has led to the death of Mathankyu. So therefore, jointly as a party, with one voice, we have heard from the Honourable Minister, and we felt that that was the right decision. As a responsible leader, he has taken it in a very matured manner, and we fully support that. And we would request the Chief Minister also to relieve home portfolio from him. So it all depends on the Chief Minister now to take a call on the letter, in which he will be submitting the letter to the Chief Minister, and to see that the inquiry that we had requested the Honourable Chief Minister be instituted at the earliest to clear all the doubts, as I've said, in the mind of the people.